Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And in our today's video we are going to cover, or actually we are going to saving our website from bad reviews. Yes, for that we are going to create a new form, a review request form that will get sent to the customers, where they fill the form, give us the reviews. But there's a twist, there is a small twist, that if they give us the bad reviews, that will not get pasted on our Google, on our main website. They will get saved on the backend, and if they give us the good reviews, that will directly copied on our Google and will display to the others as well. Means it will add a positive point, but we are hiding the negative points. That is actually the inner you can say dealings of the businesses that you people and the people like me can understand, but the customers can't understand these things. So currently what we are going to do is that we are going to create our survey form, and then we will integrate it inside the funnels, and then we can going to make it live. So you may know that why we need the review forms. So let's head towards GHL and let me show you how all the things are going to work. Okay guys, so now we are in our go high level screen, and for making the review request, first of all we have to create a review form. So for that you have to go inside the sites, which option will appear on the left side, and then inside the form you have to go inside the surveys, and inside the surveys you have to go inside builder. Okay, and inside the builder you can create a new form, survey form. So for that I have already created a folder test. I will just open it, and here I will create a new form. So I will simply click create on add survey, and let us wait for it loading. Okay, so I think it's done, if I'm not wrong. Okay, yes, now it's done. So first of all we need two pages here. Okay, so we can create another page as well right here. So in the first slide, what we need is that we need review stars. Okay, so I simply, what here the most important thing is that we can't like add directly stars here. So what we do is that we will go to add object, and in simply click on add, because we are going to create an object for getting the reviews. For here you can go to radio select, inside the radio select you can review is add review test, and object is contact, and group should be general info. And here what I want is star emoji. Yes, this one. I will just simply copy it and paste it here. And similarly I need this for 2 stars, then for 3 stars, then 4 stars, and the last one is 5 stars. Okay, so here we can also write good, and here we can write bad. Okay, everything is good, and I will simply click on save, and after it has been saved I will simply go inside and simply import it into the web page, into this slide. Okay, let us try again. Yes, now it is good. So now what will happen is that if anyone will open this, it will show it as like he has to select from one of these stars. Okay, so let me change the label name, and let me give it to select from following. You can name it, you can rename it. And what we need in the second slide is if someone give us a bad reviews, so what will happen that it will navigate to this slide number 2. Okay, so let us move to what we need here is full name, and full name here, and then his email, and then phone number. Okay, it should be right below here. Okay, email is done, and now we need phone. Yes, phone number is done, and now I think we also added the checkpoints as well. Okay, now hit the save button, and after that you can also change the theme as well. Okay, so let me show you my theme, what I build it and how it look likes. Just give me a second. Okay guys, till now what we have done, we have created slide 1, we have created slide 2, but now we have to add the backend logic as well, where if the customer hits the 5-star rating or 4-star rating, then they should lead towards our Google review form, and if they hit the 3-star, 2-star or 1-star, they should move towards the slide 2, where they need to fill the information and then hit the submit button. So for that backend logic, what you simply need to do is that you need to click on the settings. Okay, and right below here you will see the logic. Okay, the 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, 1-star already appearing. So what we need to do is that if the customer hit the 5-star, you have to simply click on disqualify immediately for both 1-star and 2-star. So what will happen that if the customers click on 4-star rating or 5-star rating, they will disqualify from slide 2, and if the customer hits the 3-star rating, 4-star rating, or sorry, the 3-star rating, 2-star rating or 1-star rating, they will lead towards this slide 2 form. Okay, so now after making these changes like disqualify immediately, we will simply move towards the setting which appears right here, and inside here what you need to do is that you will simply come on disqualify settings. Here you will select the URL, and URL should be your Google review link. Okay, for that, if I simply show you, I will simply get the Auxth digital media. I will simply open it right here, and then here on the right side you can see reviews and write a review. Okay, for here I will simply click on reviews. Okay, and here you can see the share button. I will simply click on share button. I will simply copy the link, and after copying this link I will move back towards my survey form, and I will paste that link right here, and then I will set the message, and then I will hit the save button. So now what I also have to do is that my form is ready, and now I have to integrate this into the funnel to make it live. So for that I will simply go to integrate, copy this code. Okay, and now I have to move inside the funnels, and here let me create a new funnel for survey review. Okay, let's hit the create button, and now let's wait for its loading. Okay, click on add, and let me show you that how you can add that survey form right here inside your funnel, and you may know that how to design a funnel. Okay, so click on edit, because we already created a video on a funnels, that how you can design or optimize your funnels. Okay, so you can view it from there. And after opening this, what you have to do is that first of all you need to add the section. Okay, click on add element, go to sections, click on add sections here, click on add, then go for code. Simply import this code here, click on it, open code editor and paste your code that you copied here. Click on save button, click on save from here as well, and then go for review. Okay, and now let's see what will happen. Okay, you can review your survey form from right here as well, but now I am reviewing it from the funnels, and you can see that my review form appears inside the funnels, and if I hit the 3-star rating it will move me towards the form, but if I hit the 4-star rating it will hit me towards the Google review forms. Okay, so you can add other your brandings as well. For example, what you need to do is that you need to add the section first of all, and then you can add different types of brandings and kits. Okay, like this, and then on the top what you need is the logo and the name. So for that I will simply go to quick add, then these two things right up here. I am going to add the image should be the logo. Okay, and let's search for logo. Let's see whether Auxth logo will appear here or not. Okay, let's use this one for now. Click on insert, and you know that this thing is not good, so for that I will simply click on it. Came back in general, instead of parallel X, 100% width, or otherwise I can use full center as well, but it doesn't looks good for that. Full center and parallel, as you can choose all the options and see which suits you better, and currently I think this is good. So my logo has been set, and inside this section what I need to add is the text. Okay, so after that, for the text I will simply go for text and headline. So headline should be the please give us review, give a review, and on the bottom what you need to add is logos maybe. Okay, so for that I'm going to add this section right here. So this is a short, or you can say a quick overview that how you can create your survey form and then how you can add it here. Okay, so it should be black, done, and shadow, I think there is no need of shadow. Okay, and your class name, no need of that as well. General, inside general, allow rows, sticky thickness. Okay, no need of that. Background color, no need of that. Yes, you can add the gradient, but for now I think there is no need of that as well. Okay, so this is all from my side, and whenever you want to review and to send the review funnel to your customer, you will simply click on this link or share this link to your customer after connecting the domain and after making it live or publish. Okay, so I'm not designing anything more because I already created a video on this. You can just view it and make a designs on your own. So this is all from my side, and everything has been done. And now let's review the final form so that you guys can have a clear view what we done today. Okay, here you can say our logo appears, our title has been appeared, our bottom our footer has been appeared, and our form has been appeared, and it's in working condition. So this is all for today for survey form, and I hope you like the video, and if you have any type of questions you can leave your responses in the comments. Till that, thank you, bye bye.